Welcome. In this video I will tell you what to do if your iPhone 17 Pro is heating while charging. First of all, stop charging and unplug your iPhone from the power source. Then remove the charging case in order to improve the heat dissipation in your iPhone and move to a cooler place. So move the iPhone away from direct sunlight or any hot environments. Then you can also swipe the display of your iPhone to the top to open the currently active apps, and then turn all of them off in order to reduce CPU and the battery load on your phone. Then you can also restart the phone. To do that, hold down the power button and the volume down key until you see these options on your screen. Swipe the circle to the other side of the bar, and then turn your iPhone on by pressing the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. As for the preventative measures, in order to reduce the phone overheating while charging, first of all, update your software, and right now I'm gonna show you how to keep your software up to date. So go to Settings app on your phone, then go to General Software Update, and here you can check if your device has any updates to download and install. In order to see the available updates, you're gonna need to be connected to the internet. So make sure that you're connected to the internet, and if you have any updates, then of course update your device to the latest version. Also, use official or certified accessories. Ensure that you are using an Apple certified charger and a cable as third-party or subpar accessories can cause heat regulation issues. And also, if your device is still overheating, you can enable the low power mode. To do so, open Settings, go to Battery menu and scroll down until you find the power mode, and then switch this toggle to the right to enable the low power mode on your iPhone. And this will be all the tips for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.